Okay, today I am doing a PlayStation 4 hard drive swap for the new PS4. This is how you do it. You come over here, firmly place both hands. It's good to have two hands, and just slide, and that just pops open. Lift up very gently, move it over. Okay. And then now you should see there's the hard drive. Okay, do you see the little PS logo buttons right there? You just need a screwdriver to get that in there. Unscrew that one screw. Okay, just put that screw right there. Okay, and then all you have to do is there's a little pull out right here, tab, metal tab right here. Just pull it out. The hard drive slides right on out, and that's it. And then you're gonna have to unscrew these 4 screws on each side of the drive bay. Put in the new one. Make sure that it is facing exactly the way you see here. Then once you do that, place the drive back in. Slide it. Make sure it's lined up with the hole here. Get your PlayStation screw. Put it back on there. Screwdriver. Screw it back in. Nice and firm, not too tight, but tight enough because you don't want to strip it. Then you get your plate, put it on there like so. Make sure you get it on there correctly. For it to snap into place, push from the, start from the back. Start from the back and then push forward, and then you're going to hear a locking sound. Then it just locks. And that is how you hot swap, or pretty much just change your PlayStation 4 external hard drive. And that's going to do it. Thank you.